350 Clover Glen. So maybe some more rocks added here. That's AstroTurf. There's no border, it just kind of stops up there. Getting into the neighborhood was a little weird, at least the way the GPS took us. Cul-de-sac, so that's nice. Extra parking here. So probably paint this, replace this weather stripping. Very minor things, just things that probably need to be done. So far from what I've seen, this hard flooring looks okay. Carpet looks pretty dirty. It may be able to be saved, I'm not sure, that's a Jenny call. So probably want to replace the verticals with our favorite window blinds, the 2.5-inch faux wood. So that would be one. The paint, I think, needs to be redone. For like patchy reasons and just because it looks older, has an older feel to it, maybe patch that. I'm not sure how that works with popcorn ceiling, but that was one window. Wow, that's a really big backyard. Okay. Okay, so the counters look fine, actually. Cabinets show the usual wear, nothing crazy. Obviously, there's no fridge. Flooring looks fine. Oh, wait, okay, so you have this situation. I don't know if that can be glued down once the dishwasher goes in or what. So leave that to the experts. Probably remove those in the corner. So we have a little ramp here, falls off here. Patio cover, already have tons of concrete in place. That's the master, access to the outside, that's nice. Rocks, pavers, AstroTurf. Tree needs some attention. Okay. Maybe remove some of these dead plants. When I say maybe, it's probably more like probably remove them. Not a big expense, landscape cleanup. So as you can see, this is a private backyard. We're higher than this neighbor. This is a 1-story, it's a high wall. That neighbor's a little higher, but it has a higher wall, so there's privacy on that side. So you have a private backyard. That can be hard to find. Okay, now let's head over here. Whoa. Okay. This flooring is not going to last forever. We need Jenny's opinion on whether it should be changed now or see if it'll survive a tenant turn. Looking at the border, I'm wondering if maybe John can glue it down and see if we can get a tenant turn out of it, but that it's not my call. Okay. So, of course, we would need to replace the carpet in here and repaint as well. So we have 2 closets in this room. And cabinets look fine. Sinks are the old-fashioned ones, but they're in fine condition. Flooring looks okay in here. Okay, this might have been an add-on. Final. Okay. Okay. So we have a little workbench here, a little shelf, a couple of lights hanging from the rafters, and the water heater in the corner.